In a small town, there was a boy named Ravi who was incredibly smart. He studied in a Hindi medium school and could solve big problems in no time. Despite his intelligence, Ravi struggled with English whenever he tried to work on professional projects or communicate with clients. Their fluent English would make him lose confidence. He knew the answer in Hindi but felt to to speak up. For a long time, Ravi stayed silent in meetings and avoided speaking out. He felt inadequate compared to his English speaking peers, even though he knew he could solve the problems they were facing. His self doubt grew, and he started believing that his lack of English skills made him less capable. One day, during an important project, the team encountered a complex problem. Despite their proficiency in English, none of the team members could find a solution. As the frustration grew, Ravi noticed the team's struggle. Gathering his courage, he decided to speak up, even if it was in Hindi. He explained his solution in Hindi, breaking down the problems and providing clear, actionable steps. To everyone's surprise, his solution was not only correct but also the most efficient. The team followed Ravi's advice and the problem was resolved quickly. This experience taught everyone an important lesson. Problem solving skills are more crucial than language proficiency. Ravi's success demonstrated that intelligence and the ability to solve problems are what truly matters. English, while important for communication, is not the only measure of capability to actively participate in meetings. Knowing that his ideas were valuable regardless of the language he used. This story of Ravi serves as an inspiring reminder that solving problems requires sharp thinking and creativity. Language should not be a barrier to contributing valuable solutions. Ravi's journey highlights the power of problem solving and the importance of believing in one's abilities. True intelligence transcends linguistic boundaries. Thanks. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Please do it. Thanks.